What's up coders, Alireza here, and today we're gonna design a new HTML file and playing with CSS. As I said, today I want to design a new page for the website. I have a general idea in mind and I'm getting help from another site that is similar to my idea. In addition, I also asked Claude to design it for me, and it designed this too. Okay, it's similar to what I want, but I have to proceed according to the theme of the website. Programming is okay, but design is a bit boring for me, and I don't know exactly what to do. But I'm fairly happy with the result of this website, although I can improve it a bit. Tell me what you think, and if you have any suggestions, I'd happy to see them in the comments. In the previous video, we coded a little bit of the website logic, but now I need a new web page to move the project forward, which I'm designing. Why am I designing and coding and no other coder is doing this? Because I started the entire project by myself. All the designs and implementations, and only with the help of my dear friends ChatGPT, DeepSick, Claude, and Copilot. It's a relatively challenging project, but it's enjoyable since I did it all myself. This website is in Persian, so maybe text will be a bit annoying for you.
Three hours later.
This is the website after a little coding. Let's make it better. I wasn't very happy with the buttons I designed, so I asked Copilot to make me 10 new buttons with different looks and effects. Some of them weren't interesting, but the rest were good. I chose one of them for my buttons. After a lot of coding and messing around with the styles, I came up with what I want. This is the page I designed.
eventually.
It might be a simple design for you, but for me, who works on the backend, it was a bit challenging. This is from the first result, and this is from the second result, which had a few changes. First, the tips and tricks section was added, and then the product portfolio section. The portfolio button was also changed, and now it's better. A gradients line was added under the product title, and some effects were added to the product cards. If you are interested in programming and learning it, or your path is the same as mine, I will be happy if you subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have any comments, be sure to write to me in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Stay bug free.